So today we are going to see regression in machine learning. What is regression? So regression is a statistical method which models the relationship between independent variable and dependent variable. So independent variable, what is independent variable? What is dependent variable? So dependent variable is a target variable and independent variable is a predictor variable. So here for example, we are going to predict the price of the house. Here the price is the target variable. That variable is called as dependent variable. Here, how to predict the price of the house based on the size or based on the area located. So the size is the independent variable. So we have one or more independent variable. That is, we have one or more predictor variables. So here we have to see more than one example: house price prediction, salary of the employee prediction, then sales forecasting, etc. In some of the terminologies related to regression analysis, so here first terminology used in regression, dependent variable. So dependent variable, what is dependent? This is the target variable. Target variable means suppose we are going to predict the price of the house, means here the price is the target variable. Then independent variable. Independent variable means predictor variable. So here we have more than one predictor variable. So how to predict the price of the house? Based on the size, based on the area located. The size and the area located is the independent variable. Then next one is outlier. What is outlier? Outlier is the probability of observation between the very high value and very low value. Then multicollinearity. What is multicollinearity? Multicollinearity is the more than one independent variable are correlated for a model. For any regression model, correlated more than one independent variable. Then underfitting. Underfitting means the model does not work well for training data set. If the model does not work well for testing data, means that is called as overfitting. So these are all the terminologies used in regression. Next one is types of regression. Here we have regression can be classified into many types. First one is linear regression, logistic regression, polynomial regression, then support vector regression, ridge regression, then lasso regression. So first one is linear regression. Linear regression, what is linear regression? So it can show the relationship between one independent variable and more than one dependent variable and more than one independent variable. That is linear relationship between x-axis and y-axis. So y-axis show the dependent variable and x-axis show the independent variable. If there is only one input variable, that is only one dependent variable, then such linear regression is called a simple linear regression. Here y equal to mx plus c. Y equal to mx plus c is the example for equation for linear regression. If there is more than one input variable, then such linear regression is called as multiple linear regression. So this graph will show the example for linear regression. Here we are going to predict the salary of the employee based on the experience. So x-axis show the independent variable, y-axis show the dependent variable. Dependent means target variable. So here salary is the target variable and experience is the dependent variable. Then multiple linear regression. So if there is more than one input variable, so if there is only one x, y equal to mx plus c, here only one input variable, that the input variable is x, that is called simple linear regression. Multiple linear regression means more than one input variable, that is x1, x2, x3 till xn. So here y equal to a0 plus a1 x1 plus a2 x2 till an xn. This is called as multiple linear regression. Then polynomial regression. So polynomial regression is also called as multiple linear regression. Here we can use the terms x square, x cube till x power n, etc. So the same y equal to a naught plus a1 x1 square plus a2 x cube a3 x power 4. So the equation lies based on more than one input variable, then that regression is called as polynomial regression. Next one is logistic regression. What is logistic regression? Logistic regression is also another supervised machine learning algorithm, so which is used to solve the classification problem. Classification problem is based on the probability. So we can classify either binary classification. Binary means value will be 0 or 1. That is, the value will be in the discrete format such as 0 or 1. Then not only 0 or 1, yes or no, true or false. So that all the classification comes under logistic regression. So the predictive algorithm which work on the concept of, based on the concept of probability, that is yes or no. The logistic regression also classified into many types: binary logistic regression, multi-logistic regression, ordinal logistic regression. So binary, what is binary logistic regression? Binary logistic regression means the dependent variable only two combination. That is, two combination means either 0 or 1. What is multi-logistic regression? So multi-logistic regression means the dependent variable has more than three values. More than three values means, but it cannot be ordered. For example, we are going to predict either the given animal is dog or a lion or tiger. So, but it will not be in order. Ordinal, next third type of logistic regression is ordinal logistic regression. What is ordinal logistic regression? The dependent variable has the combination of more than one, but it will be ordered. Ordered means either low, medium, high. So in Amazon, we are going to predict any product based on the ratings. That is the example for ordinal logistic regression. Then what is ridge regression? Ridge regression mainly is used to avoid the problem for overfitting and multicollinearity. Overfitting, what is overfitting? Overfitting means the model does not work well for training data set, but it will not work well for testing. The model does not work well for testing data set, that is called as overfitting, but it will work well for training data set, that is called overfitting. What is multicollinearity? Multicollinearity means two or more independent variable are correlated for a single model, that is called multicollinearity. Then support vector regression. What is support vector regression? So it can handle both linear and non-linear relationship data using the kernel. What is kernel? Kernel means which is used to kernel is a function that can be used to map low dimensional data into higher dimensional data, which is used to solve that. Support vector regression also solve classification problem based on the probability, that is yes or no, true or false. We are going to predict the given mail is spam mail or not a spam. So that is that categories and all comes under support vector regression. So next one is decision tree regression. So decision tree regression is based on tree. So here it can be classified into root node, leaf node. So split into many regions. So this will be easy to interpret. Then application of regression. The regression can be used in many places. For example, medical prediction in medical side, the diagnosis, disease prediction, and the marketing analytics. We can predict the sales, mutual fund, etc. Then demand forecasting, that is weather forecasting, temperature forecasting. So all the prediction. So prediction can be either based on continuous or discrete. So based on continuous and discrete, we can classify the regression. So these are all the applications of regression. So finally, regression is used to predict continuous outcome. Continuous means based on the continuous values, we can predict. For example, we can predict the weather condition, then salary of the employee. So for continuous value, we can use the regression concept. Then we can avoid a regularization problem and the overfitting problem. Overfitting means already explained what is overfitting. The model work fine for training data set, but it will not work well for testing data set. So everything can be recovered by using regression algorithm, machine learning model. Thank you.